To use Venmo Security effectively, start by understanding the basics of the app. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money. Security is a top priority, and the app offers several features to protect your transactions and account information. First, enable two-factor authentication, which requires a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access to your account. To do this, go to Settings, select Security, and turn on two-factor authentication. Next, set up a strong and unique password for your Venmo account. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date, and opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. You can also use a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Another important security feature is the ability to verify your identity. Venmo uses this information to prevent fraud and ensure that your account is secure. To verify your identity, go to Settings, select Identity Verification, and follow the prompts to provide the required information. In addition to these features, Venmo also offers a security code that can be used to add an extra layer of protection to your transactions. This code can be found in the Settings section of the app, and it must be entered when making a payment. To further protect your account, be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access Venmo. Avoid using these networks to log into your account or make payments, as they may not be secure. Instead, use a private and secure network, such as your home Wi-Fi or a virtual private network. It is also important to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. You can do this by checking your transaction history, which can be found in the app. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, report them to Venmo immediately. Finally, keep your Venmo app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and patches. You can do this by going to the App Store and checking for updates. By following these steps and best practices, you can help protect your Venmo account and transactions from unauthorized access and fraud. Remember to always be cautious when using peer-to-peer payment services, and take advantage of the security features offered by Venmo to keep your finances safe.